Looking for a super sweet day out in Wagga Wagga?
Then come with me, Stacey, from Team Visit Wagga Wagga, as we discover Bidgee strawberries and cream.
Welcome to the Strawberry Patch, where there's rows and rows and rows of sweet, delicious strawberries ready for you to pick and devour. Enjoy the sunshine as you wander the open field, picking the most vibrant red straws as you go. While most strawberries end up in the container, a couple of sneaky ones may end up as taste testers. For quality control, of course. Yum! A family-owned and run business, Bidgee Strawberries and Cream pride themselves on growing and harvesting organic, fresh produce, which you can taste in the product. A visit to Bidgee Strawberries and Cream isn't complete without some of the best homemade strawberry ice cream. As well as the tastiest ice cream there ever was, there's also strawberry sorbet, strawberry baked goods, strawberry jams and chocolates to enjoy at the farm. Grab a cuppa and a treat and sit back and enjoy the view over the patch. For those a little short on time, there's also pre-picked punnets available for you to grab and take with you. But this strawberry field isn't around forever though. The farm is open for a limited season from spring through to autumn, when the strawberries are at their ripest. Bidgee Strawberries and Cream is a great day out for all ages, and you don't have to travel far to find this top spot either, as it's just a 5-minute drive from our city centre. To discover more great attractions when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.